Introducing the award-winning Rocket 11 speaker cable from AudioQuest. If you are looking for a flexible, high-quality cable that can be installed in any situation, then look no further than the Rocket 11. The Rocket 11 speaker cable is constructed with both stranded and solid long-grain copper conductors, similar to the excellent Rocket 33, which is twice the price. This combination of conductors delivers a more balanced, dynamic and cleaner sound to your hi-fi system. By utilising technology used in the construction of both the FLX Slip and Rocket 33, the Rocket 11 speaker cable offers groundbreaking performance and flexibility at an affordable price. Features include semi-solid concentric conductors which maintain their fixed rigid relationships, reducing distortion, improving resolution and dynamics, and greatly minimizing harshness and confusion due to strand interaction. Long-grain copper, which has fewer oxides, fewer impurities, fewer grain boundaries, and definitively better performance than standard copper. Double spiral geometry for lower inductance, greater clarity, and superior bass to treble frequency extension. A lifetime warranty exclusive to FutureShop, and a CL3 PVC jacket which is flexible and easy to install around your system, whether through walls, trunking or around corners. This cable is professionally terminated by FutureShop engineers using one of the following plug options: SureGrip 100 gold-plated banana or spade, SureGrip 100 silver-plated banana or spade, SureGrip 300 gold-plated banana or spade, SureGrip 300 silver-plated banana or spade. The differences between the SureGrip 100s and the SureGrip 300s can be found in the amount of metal used in the construction of the plug. The SureGrip 300 uses substantially more metal in the connector compared to the SureGrip 100, resulting in a superior connection between the conductors, the connector and your system. The Rocket 11 is available in two jacket colours, black and white with grey stripes. Transform your listening experience today, now available at FutureShop.